Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you on how to set up a Venmo business account. First is open the Venmo app and go to your profile icon, and then tap Create a Business Profile. From here, choose if you're a registered business or sole proprietorship. If registered, you'll enter your EIN, and if you're solo, you'll use your social security number, and then set up your business name. This is what customers will see. And then pick a username that's easy to remember, and then add a business descriptions, for example, what you sell or offer, and then choose business category like digital goods, local services, and more. And then upload a photo. You can even grab it from your Facebook account or business. And then add a cover photo if you want to showcase products or branding. And then provide your legal business name, registration type, and address. You can also add a website, Instagram, or Messenger links. And then once done, tap publish to go live. Your business is now searchable in the Venmo community and customers can send payments directly. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.